Welcome to this week's video, and we're checking out the latest coin release from the Royal Mint. It's a 50p coin and it's the start of a brand new series of coins to collect. This is the Winnie the Pooh 50p coin, and this is how it arrived in the post. And the first thing I noticed is that it's not in a Royal Mint hang bag, which is quite odd. I'm not sure if that's the same for all of the coins that have been sent out, but like I said, it just stood out to me. It's quite strange to see a Royal Mint BUNC coin not in the normal packaging that we see. But that is the front and the back. So what we're going to do now is get into it so I can show off all the information inside. And there we have it. I've taken the packaging away and we're left with the coin and card, which we'll check out now and have a look at all the information and the cool illustrations. So there we go. We have the obverse of the coin and Winnie the Pooh. And then the first page, got some information about Pooh's house, his caring friends, and these original illustrations. So of course, if you want to have a read of that, feel free to do so by pausing and having a read at your own pace. Now I've got to say, I'm a massive fan of the illustrations on this BUNC presentation. They look amazing. Beginning with this Winnie the Pooh 50p coin, we are introducing a series of designs inspired by the classic stories of A.A. Milne and the charming illustrations of E.H. Shepard. Welcome Winnie the Pooh and friends into your life as they appear for the first time on coins struck by the Royal Mint. Now before we check out the coin itself, let's have a look at the coin specs. So of course it's a 50p coin. The alloy is copper nickel, the weight is 8 grams, diameter 27.30 millimeters. The quality is brilliant and circulated, obverse designer Jody Clark, and then the reverse designer, the Walt Disney Company. So as we check out the obverse of the coin, first of all, you'll have to excuse the flickering light, that is due to the white card that this is presented on. So we've got a 2020 50p coin, designed by Jody Clark, with his 5th portrait of Queen Elizabeth II. And it does look like there's a little stain on this packaging. I have tried to rub it out, but that's not coming off, whatever it is, but I'm not going to complain. And there we have it. That's the reverse of the coin, Winnie the Pooh, the first coin in a series of, I believe it's 9 in total over the next few years. And one of my favourite things about it is the fact that this is a UK 50p coin and it's got Disney written on it. So that to me is the icing on the cake of this coin. So there we have it. That is the brilliant and circulated Winnie the Pooh 50p coin for 2020. Like I said, I think it's a series of 9. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong. But it's going to be very interesting to see if over the years we have a definitive Winnie the Pooh coin in the same way that we had a Peter Rabbit definitive coin each year. But let me know in the comment section below, have you bought this coin? And if so, did you buy the BUNC one like me? Did you get the BUNC with colour? Or did you go for silverproof or higher? Like I said, leave that in the comment section below because it always interests me. If you're new around here, why not hit that subscribe button because I release new coin content weekly. Thanks for watching.